another video. As you can see by the title of the video, I am showing you a vacation haul. I bought a few pieces because I'm currently preparing for vacation. I also have pieces that I've had that I'll be taking along on vacation too, but I'm not going to give you a full entire what I'm going to be wearing on vacation haul. You'll just have to see my OOTDs once I post them when I get to where I'm going. But for the pieces I just currently bought, I wanted to just give a haul and try these clothes on and just see how they fit, if I like them. So if you're interested in that, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is the first look and hopefully you can see it really good. I am currently wearing this blue foil print sundress. I really do like it. It has a split on the side. I currently have on a bra, but for this type of dress, you could wear a bra, but I would probably do a strapless bra so you won't see the straps. But this is what the dress looks like. It's floor length, and I'm pairing it with like silver accessories, my clear and white Michael Kors bag. I haven't worn it in such a long time. And then like my white Jimmy Choo sandals. I feel like this is a great outfit just to go like to brunch or lunch, or just walk around and go shopping, like just a cute casual look. Okay, so this is my next outfit. It is a two-piece set, and nothing says vacation besides a two-piece set. I got this in a size medium, and honestly, I could have gotten it in a small. It's a little bit oversized, which I'm not really too mad about. But even if I don't wear this like out like casually, like this is a great outfit also to like put on top of my swimsuit and go to the pool. So really cute. But for this look, I paired it with my white mini stole moon bag, and of course, I still have on my white Jimmy Choo sandals, and then I paired it with like gold bracelets. So I just feel like this is a cute casual look, but I really do wish I got it in a smaller size. I'm gonna try to go on Fashion Nova to see if they have it in a small, and if they do, I'll probably order the small. Okay, so here is the next outfit. This is like a two-piece set. It came with like a scarf top that you can kind of tie any kind of way. Like you can make it a halter, you can make it a strapless top. Of course, you see I have on a bra. Like if I did the strapless way or either a halter top way, I wouldn't have on a bra. I would have on pasties. But just for the sake of this video, I got on a bra. The pants are like really long and like really wide leg. I've paired it with my white stove bag and also my pink Louboutin hot chic pumps. I really feel like this is a great contrast of, color. I didn't kind of want to do too much pink since it is a pink look, and kind of to break up the pink, I did like white bag, pink shoe, and then gold accessories. But I really do like this look. The pants, like I said, are really, really flowy and stretchy. And this top, like I said, you can come tie it any kind of way. And it just really screams vacation. It just really screams, I'm just here for a good time. Okay, y'all, so this is the next outfit. It's a strapless dress. Of course, I got on a bra. When I wear this, I won't have on a bra at all. I'll just have on some pasties. But as you can see, this is a fun print. It's like green and different shades of purple and like orange and pink. Like it's a really pretty print. I paired it with my purple Louboutin hot chic pumps. It actually matches like the dark purple that's in this dress. I also bought a bag. It's just not here. I took the light purple, like this lavender color, out of the dress, and I bought the somewhat Luna bag in this same shade, like of purple, so like lavender. Once the bag gets here, I'll do an unboxing, but you just gonna have to envision that I have a lavender bag, and I kind of felt it would work because like the light purple and dark purple kind of contrast, and I just really like it. This is a dress I kind of plan on wearing like to dinner one night, but I really think it's cute and just flirty, and it just really screams vacay. Okay, so here is the next look. Now we get into the pieces that I got from H&M. The top is what I purchased from H&M. The bottoms I've already had, but they're from, I think, the brand Soroya, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. But anywho, the top is like this button-down vest. I paired it with my new Saint Laurent sandals, and then I paired it with this like mini long chunk bag, the cosmetic bag that everybody carries as a actual purse, but this is what I paired it with. I feel like this is a great outfit to go to lunch, go exploring for the day, just something cute and cash, like not trying to like, wear heels or anything, but also trying to still look put together. I paired it with gold accessories, and this is a really cute look. Okay, y'all, so this is the next outfit. As you can see, I have this like very printed top that has different prints and patterns all along it. I tied it like a halter top this time. Of course, you know, I wouldn't wear a bra if I'm gonna wear it like this. I'll just have them pasties, especially because you can kind of see like my bra kind of hanging out. So a bra definitely would not work. But I paired it with these shorts to kind of match one of the patterns or the prints in the top. And these are just some linen shorts. And then since this outfit has a lot going on, I kind of decided to pair it with a black bag. As you can see, I don't have on any shoes because I'm still looking for some cute black sandals. If y'all know where to get some cute black sandals from, please let me know down below in the comments. But I'm trying to find some cute black sandals. If I can't find none while I'm here, of course, while I'm out and about shopping, I'll try to see can I find some black sandals. I paired it with some black and gold bangles. But yeah, this would be the look. Just a cute look. I feel like I can kind of wear this like in the daytime. Like this is just a cute little 1-2 number. Alright, y'all, so that was my vacation haul. Let me know down below in the comments what outfits you love. And also, guess where I'm going? Like, let me know where you think I'm going for vacay just based on the outfits. Is it going to be a tropical place? Is it a non-tropical place? Let me know your thoughts. As always, thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will greatly appreciate that. Always remember to be you, be audacious, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!